empowering farms and transforming cities to boosting industries, technology and rural livelihoods. Maharashtra is moving ahead with a mix of big-ticket inaugurations, policy pushes and development milestones. Here's a roundup of the key updates from the country's largest economy in our exclusive Maharashtra 360. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, with Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis in attendance, launched a major solar initiative for Maharashtra via video link. A drive aimed at delivering reliable daytime electricity, boosting farmer incomes and creating thousands of jobs.
आज प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कुसुम योजना के हमारे जो महाराष्ट्र के किसान हैं उनके साथ वर्चुअल वार्तालाप किया है। कुसुम योजना में जो सौर पंप है, सोलर पंप, उसमें महाराष्ट्र नंबर 1 पर है। 7 लाख पंप हमने लगाए हैं। पूरे देश में जितने पंप लगे उससे ज्यादा अकेले महाराष्ट्र ने लगाए हैं। उसके साथ साथ जो सोलर पार्क की योजना है कुसुम सी, उसमें भी महाराष्ट्र ने आज 2500 मेगावाट के पार्क का उद्घाटन किया है। प्रधानमंत्री जी ने उसका उद्घाटन किया है।
Prime Minister Modi virtually inaugurated 454 solar projects totaling 2,458 megawatt in Maharashtra, with Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis present. The scheme is designed to supply daytime power, raise farmer incomes and generate employment. Under PM Kusum, Maharashtra leads the nation. 6.46 lakh solar agri pumps have been installed, irrigating 20.95 lakh acres and supplying daytime electricity to 6 lakh farmers. Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde directed officials to fast-track the Bandra-Kurla Port Taxi project. The move aims to cut congestion in the busy BKC corridor and offer commuters a cleaner, faster, last-mile option as the area gears up for more commercial and transit demand. The Bandra-Kurla Port Taxi is planned as an approximately 8-kilometer elevated corridor with about 33 stations, designed to link Bandra and Kurla railway hubs through the Bandra-Kurla complex and relieve heavy road congestion. The project is priced in reports at around 1,000 crore rupees or more. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis flew to New Delhi for a focused meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, pressing for urgent central help for flood-hit farmers and seeking approvals and support for several flagship state projects. The Chief Minister formally sought central relief measures, including NDRF deployment and financial aid for farmers hit by recent floods. He pitched Gadchiroli as a green steel city with a target exceeding 1 lakh crore rupees of investment and assured that the state can deliver green steel costs competitively. MOUs worth about 60,000 crore rupees are already in place. Prime Minister Modi virtually inaugurated BSNL's indigenous 4G rollout, a nationwide push built in India that aims to bring high-speed mobile connectivity to the hinterland. Chief Minister Fadnavis, along with Deputy Chief Minister Shinde, virtually attended the inauguration. Prime Minister Modi inaugurated 92,633 BSNL towers nationwide. Close to 1/10 of them, 9,030 in Maharashtra. A rollout that will benefit 24,680 villages, making India the 5th country in the world to deploy homegrown 4G technology. On the sidelines of the 66th AGM of Pune District Cooperative Milk Producers Union, Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar inaugurated a series of transformative initiatives in the agriculture and allied sector. These new launches aim to boost productivity, modernize farming practices and create new market opportunities. The foundation for a modern automated dairy plant was laid, set to revolutionize milk processing in Pune. Honey production and marketing projects along with precision agriculture via drones were inaugurated to enhance productivity and create new income streams.